students. Today we are students. Will study today effect of pressure. Effect of pressure. We are studying 𝓼𝓻𝓬𝓲 principle, and we have studied effect of temperature and effect of concentration. Today we will study the effect of pressure. Now, pressure जो है, it plays a significant role only in those reactions, only in gases reactions, and in those reactions where there occurs change in the number of moles. That means gas reactions, and we study there in gas reaction we study the pressure, and in those reactions there occurs change in the number of moles. That is moles of number of moles change. For example, we will study a reaction. This is again the N2O4 gives twice NO2. This is the reaction. Dinitrogen tetroxide gives nitrogen dioxide. Now here is it is 1 mole. This is reversible action, gives 2 moles. That means 1 mole of reactant gives 2 mole of products. That means in forward reaction, when we study the forward, that means decomposition of N2O4, there occurs increase in number of moles. In forward reaction, there occurs increase in number of moles. Since number of moles is directly proportional to pressure, number of moles is directly proportional to pressure. That is, in forward reaction, when we study the in case of this forward reaction is accompanied with increase in pressure. Since number of moles increase, that means pressure increases. So increase in pressure. Forward reaction is accompanied by increase in pressure. And in case of backward, twice NO2 gives N2O4, there occurs decrease in number of moles. So backward reaction, in case of this backward reaction, there occurs decrease in number of moles. That means there occurs decrease in pressure. Now, if to this system in equilibrium, we will increase the pressure. We will see what is the effect of increase in pressure. If we increase the pressure, that if we apply the high pressure, we increase the pressure. So what will be the effect of increase in pressure? So according to the 𝓼𝓻𝓬𝓲 principle, so reaction will proceed, yeah, equilibrium will proceed. Equilibrium will shift in the direction where there occurs decrease in pressure. हमने प्रेशर इस रिएक्शन में प्रेशर इंक्रीज किया, and according to 𝓼𝓻𝓬𝓲 principle, the equilibrium will shift in the direction which occurs, which undoes the effect of change. So equilibrium will shift in the direction where there occurs decrease in pressure. So where decrease in pressure takes place, in this reaction, decrease in pressure takes place in the backward direction, because in backward direction N2O4 one here, and there are in the backward direction there occurs decrease in the number of moles, that is decrease in the pressure takes place. So if we increase the pressure in this reaction, backward reaction is favored. That means decomposition of NO2 is favored. So in this reaction, backward reaction is favored. Backward reaction is favored if we increase the pressure. That is decomposition. If we increase the pressure, if we increase the pressure in this reaction, decomposition of, yeah, this N twice NO2 gives N2O4. That's combination of twice NO2 molecules gives N2O4. This reaction takes place by increasing pressure. If we increase the pressure, here I will show it again. In case of this reaction, forward reaction N2O4 gives twice NO2. There occurs increase in the number of moles. That increase in pressure takes place. And in backward reaction, that is accompanied by the decrease in pressure, because decrease in number of moles takes place. Now, if we increase the pressure, according to the Dirichlet principle, equilibrium will shift in the direction where there occurs decrease in the number of moles, that is decrease in pressure. So decrease in pressure takes place in the backward direction. So increase of pressure favors here the backward direction. So increase of pressure favors the backward reaction. This reaction takes place. Now, if we decrease the pressure, अगर हम इस रिएक्शन में प्रेशर को डिक्रीज करेंगे, सो व्हाट विल बी द इफेक्ट? सो अकॉर्डिंग टू लीचर्स प्रिंसिपल, द रिएक्शन will proceed, the equilibrium will shift in the direction where there occurs increase in pressure. That means an increase in pressure takes place here in the forward direction. So that means forward reaction is favored. In this reaction, and forward reaction is favored by low pressure. Again, if I will explain another example, let us take N2 formation of ammonia plus thrice H2 gives twice NH3. This is another reaction. So here 1 mole of nitrogen, 3 moles of hydrogen give 2 moles of ammonia. That means in forward reaction is accompanied by decrease in pressure. In forward reaction, decrease in pressure takes place, and in backward reaction, here there are 2 moles, there are 4 moles. Backward reaction takes place with increase in pressure, because number of moles is directly proportional to the pressure, increase in pressure. So if we apply high pressure in formation of ammonia, if we apply high pressure, so according to Lichardius principle, the equilibrium will shift in the direction where there occurs, which is accompanied by decrease in pressure. That is, in this reaction, forward reaction is favored. So for formation of ammonia, forward reaction is favored. In case of ammonia, high pressure favors the formation of ammonia, that because there occurs decrease in pressure. If we take low pressure, so low pressure, then the equilibrium will shift in the direction where there occurs increase in the number of moles. So equilibrium will shift in the backward direction. That is, decomposition of ammonia takes place and gives N2 thrice H2, where there occurs equilibrium will shift in the direction in the backward direction. So in case of ammonia, if we apply the high pressure, the forward reaction is favored, and if we apply the low pressure, backward reaction is favored. Now again, if we take another example, it is combination of hydrogen plus I2 gives twice Hi. 1 mole of hydrogen reacts with 1 mole of iodine, gives 2 moles of hydrogen iodide. That means in forward reaction, 1 mole of and 1 mole gives 2 moles. Here, backward reaction, 2 moles give 2 moles of reactants. So there occurs no change in pressure. either in forward direction or in backward direction. No change in pressure takes place. So pressure has no effect. Pressure has no effect in the reactions why there occurs no change in pressure. No effect. In this reaction, pressure has no effect. So pressure has no effect in the reactions why there occurs no change in pressure. So from this reaction, from the above, we came to the conclusion that in case of when the system is in equilibrium, low pressure, first low pressure favors those reactions which are accompanied by increase in number of moles, that increase in pressure. And high pressure favors those reactions which are accompanied or which take place with decrease in number of moles. And number third, we came to the conclusion that pressure has no effect in the reactions where there occurs no change in pressure, where there occurs which proceed or which occurs by which proceed with no change in the total number of moles. So this is the effect of pressure as per the 𝓹𝓻𝓲𝓵 principle. Thank you.